Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check the backup date and size so you know what will restore. Once done, make sure your phone has over 50% battery and stable Wi-Fi. This avoids interruptions. Next, confirm the WhatsApp account uses the exact same phone number and the same Google Drive or iCloud account. This is critical. Then uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Follow the app prompts to reach the restore screen, and only then tap Restore to start transferring messages and media. You now manage the detailed execution. Watch the Restore progress bar and be patient, because large backups can take hours depending on size and connection. If media items don't appear, make sure you re-enable media download settings and grant storage permissions. Without them, photos won't save. If Cloud Restore fails or shows no backup, locate a local backup file named MSG Store. DB. Crypt 12 on the device or SD. Then move it into the correct WhatsApp/databases folder. After you finish by confirming that chats and media are complete, open key conversations and let WhatsApp reindex messages. This can take a few minutes. Make sure contacts sync correctly by re-importing or enabling account sync if names are missing. If anything goes wrong, here's the main troubleshooting tip. Verify the phone number, device time zone, and whether the backup was encrypted. Mismatched number or missing encryption key prevents restore. If needed, repeat restore steps after correcting those 3 items.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.